Also, on an official level, independent Ukraine and independent Russian Federation had quite a good relationships. So President Yeltsin in the 1990s used to say that every Russian bureaucrat has to wake up in the morning and think, what can we do for our brotherly Ukraine? Nobody could take him seriously, probably, but it just shows you the spirit of sort of peaceful coexistence between Russian and Ukrainian state back in 1990s. So what drew my attention is that people who joined the Cossacks, they were preparing themselves to join the fight. And it was difficult to predict back then why would they do that, because officially neither Ukrainian state nor Russian state had any hostile intentions against each other. And that's when I started to look at the different concept of security, right? So traditional approach to state security or nation-state security couldn't explain that situation. That's why I looked at the concept of societal security, and that's security in terms of identity of people. And that explains the situation with Cossack revival much better, because, as I said, Ukrainian patriots were threatened with Russian expansionism from the very beginning of Ukrainian independence. That's why they joined, maybe unconsciously, paramilitary Cossack organizations, preparing themselves mentally to defend Ukrainian independence. And it was the same with Russian Cossacks. So let's say Russian patriots who wanted to rebuild great Russia or make Russia great again, they unconsciously sort of followed the path, joining the paramilitary organizations, preparing for a fight in the future. So as I said, neither Ukrainian state security nor Russian Federation state security was threatened in 1990s. The states were not on a collision course, but nationalist ideologies were on a collision course. National identities were threatened by this mutual exclusivity of Ukrainian nationhood and Russian neo-imperial construct, right? So this was something that drew my attention, and I was trying to research it and understand it better, and I came up with this concept of societal security as a useful framework to analyze Cossack revival.